Welcome friends, Ed here from the Great Indoors, and today is June 1st, and to me it's officially become grilling season. Not to mention how beautiful the weather is today. It's 70 degrees out, a light breeze. I can't ask for a better day to cook some chicken wings on the grill. And that's why I'm standing here in front of my Weber over here. Ooh, it's warm. I'm heating it up as I speak right now. I want to get up to like 400 degrees, so we got all nice and hot. We're going to do some prep work though first in the kitchen. We have to get these wings pre-cooked. So let's get in there and get this party started. Like, comment, and subscribe to The Great Indoors with Ed and Michelle. I ended up buying this full pack of wings over here for 15 bucks from Sam's Club. And I only used half of them. And they're all rinsed off thoroughly. I wanted to make sure they're nice and clean. And the key to doing any kind of chicken is making sure that they get cooked all the way through. You want to get an interior temperature of about 165 degrees. And the best way to achieve that is to cook them 4 to 5 minutes in the microwave first, and then we'll transfer them over to the grill where we'll be able to cook them on the open flame on the grill and cook off some of that oil. That we don't want them to be greasy, but we do want them to be nice and crisp on the outside. So that's where the next step is, on the grill outside on the Weber. All right, wave going here. Don't judge me on the weight, Michael. We'll go 4.5 minutes. All right, and I apologize for the glare over there. Okay, this is the next step that's pretty darn important. We have Meyer breadcrumbs. They're the Italian style. That's the only one kind that we have, and I guess it'll have to do. I would have been all right with the Planko, but put that in there in the bowl. And we could mix what I got here is the Longhorn seasoning, grill seasoning. Add that in there too. I've used this in the past, and it's pretty darn good, guys. And don't want to be totally, how about this? Fajita seasoning as well. We're going to add that into our mix, because we're going to put a nice little coating of this stuff on there. All right, put a little bit more of that Longhorn in there. Yeah, there we go. Now we're talking. Let's stir that up real nice. Get a nice little mixture going. I already have my scrambled eggs all ready to go over here. If you guys have a favorite seasoning that you like in your breading, put it in the comments. I want to hear about it, right? I hope I have enough. And I just was outside checking on the grill, and it's at 400 degrees, so all we got to do here is take this little baggie, dump our mixture in there, and get the wings that are all pre-cooked. Check that out, guys. Yeah, the temperature is right where I want them, nice and hot on the inside. So we're going to end up tossing a couple in there. Shake, 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 shake your booty. I might have to make more. Yeah, there's no way that little bit of, actually I forgot to put the egg on there first. Hello. Put the egg on first, then you roll them around in there. Whatever. This is what happens sometimes when you're cooking on live, whatever. You make mistakes, you just roll with it, right? All right. I'm going to finish knocking these out. And then we'll take them out to the grill and continue on with the rest of our process over here. What do you think? All right, let me get back to work. I don't need to bore you with all these details. Just got done putting the wings on there. Looking good. Got a nice temperature going. All right. Club. Yeah, we get these wings from Sam's Club. Got a good deal on them. I'm very happy with Sam's Club. They always are excellent service there. $15 for all these wings. Plus I got double that. I got more in the fridge for a later time. But yeah, I know a lot of you guys are Costco fans and even BJ Wholesale Club. For me, it's all about Sam's Club. All right, I put the wings on and they're cooking. And I figure 30 to 40 minutes is about right for something like this. Temperature wise, you want 350 to 400, somewhere in that area. And I'm just want to step up. Michelle has been resting comfortably in her room today, and I wanted to surprise her with some wings. I bought her a salad from Wendy's earlier today. But she's always there cooking for me, and she's a great cook. But when it comes to outdoor grilling, that's my wheelhouse. I love doing this kind of stuff. And I like taking you guys along. All right, I do have other videos of us cooking in the backyard, and I'll try to put a link to some of them in the description for you guys. My good old I love the Weber. All right, we're going to probably let this go for a little bit. I'll bring you guys back. We got to rotate regular. All right. Okay, it's been about 25 minutes. Let's see how we are here. Oh, wow. Well, I wanted char on them, and I definitely got the char, right? They're nice and crisp. I've been rotating them regularly, like every 4 or 5 minutes. And then I went to go do some yard work in the front. I think that they're pretty, I think this is ready to go. I might give it a few more minutes just to play it safe. And then we'll plate it up for Michelle and see what she thinks. Like, comment, and subscribe to The Great Indoors, as we are outdoors. Okay, remember when we had the cookout with Jason and Kathy? Or there was some bees in our over there,
right?
And we had to move everything inside,
right,
for that, and that was bad. And then we ended up having another issue where we were cooking out here with the, what was that I was making? The crab legs or something like that? I don't know. But yeah, the bees came and bit me or whatever. I don't know. Did they bite you too? Or yeah. So tell me, before you bite into them, what do you think of those wings there?
Totally amazing. It's awesome.
Well, you can be honest. Don't say nice things if you don't really think they're nice.
They're a little charcoaled, and but they look amazing. They really do. I wish we had Monday Night Football to watch it.
Well, too bad we don't have Myles Garrett to watch them anymore. You know, that's kind of a bummer. The Browns traded Myles Garrett today. It's a tough day for Cleveland Browns fans.
But that's why you went live and everything. But thank you for making my dinner. That means a lot to me. I tried to let them cool off a little bit because they were just right off the grill. Right. But they have a nice crisp exterior to them. You want to give it a shot? Sure. Here we go.
All right.
To say.
Just be careful. Oh yeah, you can see they're done all the way through, and crispy out on the outside. I dunked them in egg wash first before I put the season. Isn't that what you're supposed to do?
Yeah.
Is there a way to do them without putting them in the egg wash, where you can just wet them in them?
You got to really use eggs.
You do?
Okay. Get the moisture in there.
Right.
And the protein. Keep the protein in there.
Sorry, no celery sticks. If I thought Amanda Wargo was going to show up, I would have got some for her, right?
But that's okay.
Because I know
I'm eating healthy. I'm eating on a Blue Plate special.
That's right. All right. Well, hey, we're going to get into these wings. I have dipping sauce inside, but can you identify? I put a little bit of Cajun and Longhorn seasoning on them too, and I used your Italian breading on there.
Oh yeah.
You don't have Planko. What is that, Planko or whatever? No. Okay.
No.
I think it's pretty good. I thought it came out nice.
Progresso's breadcrumbs are the best.
We got these. You got your from Meijer, I believe, right? Yeah. You guys shop at Meijer? Michelle loves Meijer, don't you? Oh yeah.
Yes, I do.
Crunchy. All right, guys.
Who needs blue cheese or ranch? You got them right here. It's a lot better, and it's a nice, cool night just to enjoy it.
Yeah, I love the breeze we're getting right now. It feels good.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Love ya.
Have a chicken wing day.
Bye.